butt crack early. Well, I had another title, but unfortunately, stupid stuff happened. Yeah, I know. I can't wait. Yeah, I try to get out of here pretty early. Yeah, black 75 Chapo. Back to the black Chapo because I've been struggling here lately. And yesterday morning they were blowing up on top water, so we brought the old top water black Chapo this morning. Oh, wifey, can you change the title for me, please? Thank you. Love you. Like, back to the black Chapo, or I think I put in black Chapo to the rescue, or black 75 Chapo to the rescue is what I had as a title, I think. Something like that. Thank you. We're just starting this morning. I don't even feel like not waiting for anybody to show up. I'm just gonna start. Hopefully people show up. Lucky over there. A little long. A little bit brim, I think. A little bitty bass, either that. It's a little bitty, whatever it is. Oh, a little bitty bass. I mean, little bitty. Anybody here? Nope. Tried before anybody showed up. Well, like I'm subscribe and share with your friends. I mean, look out. That is little bitty. If you lose her, so now you're all weirded in there. How are you hooked? How are you hooked? Bring my glasses would help. What? 0.18 pounds? Sure. Little bitty guy, thanks for playing. Come back again and bite me again later when you get bigger. Holy moly. A little bitty. Oh well, top wire action. Okay, well, looks like YouTube is doing their things again this morning. I never was to make a video. Shorts. Make a video and some shorts out of it, it's fine. That's probably the smallest fish of the year. Probably the smallest fish of the year. Oh, there's somebody. Thanks for coming by. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Can't believe some of your family came by. I appreciate it, though. It was really early in the morning, like usual. We're throwing a chapo. I already missed a catch. I caught one already. I started before anybody showed up this morning because I just wanted to start fishing. Back to the old Chapo 9, a Chapo 75 actually, the black one. I didn't catch one right there. Surprised I didn't catch one right there. Duckies. Let's go in behind the duckies. So far, this is what if I was going top water. So far, if I was going top water, this would be a lure I would use right here. You don't catch monster bass, but it catches fish. And I would love to, if I was fishing a tournament, catching fish is important. Regardless of whether they're keepers or not, it's important to get a bet, get bites. At least know what you're doing is working. Wild. Yesterday we were flats in top water. Now I'll bring top water. Now they're not doing it. They did catch one already, but I haven't seen a blast up yet besides the one that blasted my lure. Just to show you how fickle these fish are. Oh, had a mister right there. Probably a brim, but had a miss. Well, that's good. Catching a miss. I'll take a catching a miss. So far, I think that's better than nothing. Pile of grass right there. Still weirded out by that tree being gone. Didn't even look like the tree was ever there. Brought one of those stump grinders out and grinded it into whoops. Grinded it into whoops. Slipped on the grass again this morning. Something flopping around on top of the water right there. Better cast that time. We're not 40 feet in the lake. See if we can catch another one. Yeah, the first one was so small I didn't even bother to measure him. Yeah, he's a little bitty guy. Y'all can go back, watch the replay if you all want to. It'll be in regular videos at some point. Oh, there's one. That might be a better fish. That he probably got on the pause. That might be a better fish. Oh, that's a little bit better fish. We'll weigh this little guy here. We'll weigh this guy. All right. Number 2 jumping out of the water for everybody. She's putting on the show. Hey. Did I had a good hold of him. I'm glad I had a good hold of him right there because he was going to stick me if I didn't. Well, these little ones are dangerous. Yep. Alright. Get you weighed up. What you weigh? 3.8. 0.38. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Low battery. Probably gotta change out the battery in it. I want to turn on this morning. You gotta turn on though. .76. Oh wow, that's way better than I thought. There he goes. Not too bad, evidently. Thanks, sir. Appreciate you. Come back and grow up and come back later. Eat you when you get bigger. Yeah. Alright, that's number 2 for the day. Number 2 better than last night. I didn't catch any. So on a crankbait. That was crappy. Oh, there's another one. They're just hitting it when you pause it. Another one. Little bitty guy again. Oh, that's a brim this time. Well, we ain't no brims. That's okay though. Hey. Hey. Brim, I'm gonna let you go. Assuming I can get you loose. Oh, I gotta dig out my pliers again. Tried not to dig up my pliers for you, but had to. Oh, you look good. Alright, well, this one guy does it this way. Show you the fish, I guess. Good little brimmy. There you go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you for playing. Have a good day. Jump on something else to lure some other day. That was awesome. Alright, we'll throw it back out there again. We done caught 2 fish out of this little area right here. We'll throw it out there again. Must be a hole right there or something. Just jumping on it when I stop it now. We're going to be stopping it quite a bit now. That's the pattern evidently. Okay. Now place I put my foot. Alright. On we go. Cardboard and grass and sticks. What? That's last night's video. Yeah, it was awesome. I caught everything but a bass. Didn't get your ducks. Got everything but a bass. Okay, nothing that cast. Yeah, I'm expecting one every cast. Yeah, I'm expecting one every cast. Set routine of how many cranks I go or any of that stuff. It's just crank, stop, crank, stop. Probably is 2 or 3 cranks, and stop. But you do it any way you want to do it. You don't have to stop it at all. You can just crank away if you want to. I'll plan on doing that. Let's do it this time. We'll just crank away, see what happens. Look at it go plop, 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 plop. A good cast too. That was a really good cast. Alright, well, nothing on that cast. Let's do the crank stop. Got 3 fish already this morning, 2 bass and a brim. That's good stuff. On this little pond. Alright, nothing. Nothing right there, huh? Wild. I think you gotta stop it right over their head. I think that's what's bugging them is if I stop it right over their head, because that's what I got. I think my hits over there is I just, as soon as I stopped it, they saw it stop when they were sitting right underneath it, and they just couldn't stand it sitting over their head, and then blasted the hoo-ha out of it. Wow. I'm expecting a fish on every cast now. And straight retrieve on this one. We'll vary it between stop and go and straight retrieve. They both work. See if we can catch a bigger fish on the straight retrieve. Alright. Damn. Doggy. See if we can hit this. I mean, down here, or something was down here. Deer, maybe. Almost definitely down here. Wow, 3 so far though. 3 so far. It'll be on the jam, on the thing. Like I said, I think the title's gonna be Whopper 75, Black Whopper 75. To the rescue. In other words, after the big fat zero I had last night. I wanted to catch something this morning. So I was throwing this. After what I saw yesterday. It's worked. I caught 3 so far. 2 bass. A brim. Something right there. I don't know what that was, but there was definitely something right there. Right up the bank. Nothing wild. Oh man. Battle, battle, battle. Battle royale. Let's go past that. Go up here to this. A little bit eat. Oh, I say that, and then second step would darn near fall on my head. Turtle. Where'd that turtle get it? I don't want to be fighting a turtle. Oops. Oh, he's thinking about trying to get it. Let him go try to get it. He's thinking about it. You're not letting him get it though. Rolled it right by him. Just watch. walk down here. Hopefully I'll get a bit better snack. We don't have very far to go to get to our next spot anyways. Oops. Right here's our next spot. I think I have mowing to do. I don't know for sure if I have mowing to do, but I think so. Let's go south. It's gonna be hot, even though it's not hot yet. It's gonna be hot. As soon as that sun comes out. As soon as that sun comes out, it's gonna get hot super fast again. Can't wait to get my stuff in the mail. I don't know when I'm going to get it, but I can't wait. You guys are going to love it, I think. Especially one lure, it's a wild lure. Like I said, though, when we fish that, we're definitely bringing our backup lure. Our little 3-inch wacky worm, because we're going to want to catch one. That one's probably going to be a lot of work and no catching. But it's a cool lure. You'll see when I get it. Huh. We got something on it. A leaf. Enough to ruin it. It's enough to ruin the action. A leaf. Alright, I'll throw that back out there again. Oh, there's a little brim right there. Yeah, see that one? Little brim right there. Want me to try to catch it? Alright, we'll throw it right in there. We'll throw it right at it. See what we can catch. See if we can catch that little brim right there. Right there. Somewhere. Not right there, but about that high out in the water. About there. Nope. You don't want it. Alright, cool beans. We're going to catch them anyways. Right here. Say nothing about bass on that sun. Do not take bass home. Leave bass alone. Put them back. 3. We got 3. I was thinking about going back over there and going over there again, but we don't really have to. I ain't been able to catch anything off that down tree yet. Well, not a down tree, but down pile of branches that used to be a tree of sorts. Little baby tree. Somebody killed the baby tree. Oh well. They're jumping around. I seen another one jumping around this morning. They're jumping around. Got 3 so far. It's just a matter of getting it in front of one. Wants to jump on it. We had a nice little hot start. That's cooled off quite a bit. Not the weather, but the bite. Yeah, I'm telling you what, I put on a different pair of shorts this morning. It doesn't matter. All my shorts just like to fall off. Well, that's terrible, but whatever. We'll just do full sand this time. Not a very good cast. So we're working it real close to the bank now. Alright, nothing. Right there's where I wanted it. Bass fishing for you folks. You start out hot sometimes, and then where'd the fish go? You're like, I picked the right lure. Did I pick the right lure? I don't know. Caught 3, but damn, where the heck the bites been going? Where'd they all go? Got a tree, a leaf. Oh yeah, we caught one of those last night too. Oh, we caught a lot of stuff last night. Go back and check that video out. We caught so much stuff. Now, let remember, I said stuff. I didn't say anything about fish. Yeah. Lots and lots of stuff. Oh, that's terrible. What the heck is that? Alright. Trying to make a better cast this time. I will. Thank you. There we go. Much better. Nothing. Wild. One more cast. Last cast, people. Last cast. We got mowing to do probably. And I don't want to get super tired, so. Alright, well. Thanks for coming by. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends. Another day of bass fishing, or another morning of bass fishing. And they really weren't biting very good again this morning. That's okay, though. It is what it is. Alright. Got over the thing pretty easy. Alright. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And y'all have a good one. And see you next time.